This video demonstrates how to build and debug a multi-core RA MCU project in eSquare Studio. The EK RA8P1 evaluation kit with a dual-core architecture is used for demonstration. The CM85 core blinks LED 1, and the CM33 core blinks LED 2. To get the quick start guide and user's manual, please visit Renaissance EK RA8P1 website. Select the quick link or scroll to the documentation section. Please watch the eSquare Studio Quick Start Guide videos for software installation and project creation. The solution project stores information for all downstream projects. Always trigger builds from the solution project to ensure that the latest settings are propagated to each downstream project. Right-click the solution project and select Build Project from the context menu. To start debugging your multi-core application, open the Debug Configurations dialog. The Multi-Core Solution wizard creates a launch group. The attached launch configuration connects to CPU 1 only. The multi-core launch configuration connects to CPU 0 and programs both images into MRAM. The launch group is used to start multi-core debug session. Select the multi-core launch group, then click the debug button to start the session. You will see the CPU 0 project debug session start up and connect. CPU 1 appears in the debug tree, but will be held in reset. With the reset handler of the CPU 0 project highlighted, click Resume. CPU 0 will start running. Execution will suspend at the HAL entry call in the main function of CPU 0. Click Resume again. The RBSP secondary core start function is called in HAL entry in CPU 0. CPU 1 becomes active. LED 1 starts blinking. Execution will suspend at reset handler in the CPU 1 project. With the reset handler of the CPU 1 project highlighted, click Resume again. CPU 1 will start running, and LED 2 begins to blink. The program status is shown in the status bar. The current active debug connection, shown as highlighted in the debug view, is the one that will be controlled by the usual debug controls. To control both debug connections in parallel, hold the Control key and select both connections in the debug view. The variables, expressions, registers, memory browser and disassembly views reflect the state of the selected core. You can pin or clone these views to monitor each core separately. For example, registers views are pinned to a thread as shown. To terminate a multi-core debug session, click the Terminate All button. The debugger will disconnect and end the session. After the first multi-core debug session, use the launch group from the drop-down menu for future sessions. For more information, refer to tutorial, Your First RA Multicore Application, Blinky on GitHub.